holder plant, or it is also called as KVIC plant or Indian. Okay, the speciality of this design is the gas holder, that is the gas collector in the drum, is separated from the digester. So digester is a place where the slurry and waste materials are fed and the biogas is produced. Okay, so the drum is a different component, whereas in the second type, that is fixed dome digester, or it is also called as the Chinese plant. Okay, it was designed by Chinese and it became popular because of its simplicity and easy to construct. Okay, it is called as Chinese plant. It is an integrated plant with no metal parts. It was completely made of masonry work. Okay, so it is wherein gas holder and the digester are a single set of components. Okay, so first we will start with the Indian design. Okay, or it is also called as floating drum. Take down a sketch. See, in most of the question papers, either Indian or Chinese or single double stage, whatever we discussed, any one question out of these three will be definitely there. Please make it fast. Okay, so we'll start with the discussion. So this is called as Indian design digester or floating drum type. So earlier it was very popular in India. So this is okay. So this is a earlier this design was very popular in India. Okay, so this is the mixing pit or the inlet pit. Okay, so this is the inlet pipe through which all the waste, sludge, slurry, etc. will be fed. So this part we can take as the inlet portion of the digester. So this is all whatever you can see. This is all brick construction. Okay, so this is the second partition of the digester. So this part is the first partition. Okay, so this is the first partition of the digester into which all the raw materials are fed. So it may be a cow dung or any other crop residue, human waste, animal waste, domestic waste, etc. All are fed along with suitable proportions of water. Okay, so it forms a slurry here. Over a period of time, it get digested. Okay, so in the process of digestion, we have discussed the 4 sets of reaction that takes place. So when the digestion process is progressed, gas will be released. This gas starts collecting in this drum. So this will be usually a stainless steel or any other metal drum. As the gas starts filling, it will start floating, which is an indication that the digestion process is getting completed. Now, once the digestion process is getting progressed, the slurry density will be reduced so that the fresh slurry, whatever is entering here, you can see this arrow mark, it will start pushing this digested slurry up so that this digested slurry moves to the second compartment. Okay, it moves to the second compartment. As the pressure keeps on increasing, the digested slurry through the outlet pipe enters into the outlet tank. From here, it can be collected. Again, this digested slurry is also not a waste product. Okay, it can be used as a source of manure for plants. Okay, so at the end of the process, here the gas will be collected. Okay, it is also called as floating drum type because the gas is collected in the drum, which always keeps floating. Okay, so this the gas pipeline will be there from which we can take and use the gas for various purposes like water heating, okay, cooking, okay, cooking purpose. So this gas can be directly used in the LPG stove, whatever we see. Okay, we can connect to it and we can use it as a source. So this is a much cleaner source of energy. If you directly burn this waste, if you dry and directly burn this waste, lot of gases will be released which are very harmful to the atmosphere. Whereas if you digest it, there are two benefits. You get one output as a gas, which is a very clean source of fuel for combustion. Second is whatever the digested slurry is there, that can be used as a source of manure. Okay, so this is called as the Indian design digester or floating drum type. The Indian design, the name is given because it was first designed and popularly used in our country, okay, designed by our people. And floating drum word is used because the drum is a separate component from the digester. You can see this is all a brick construction. This will be the digester part. At the top, there is a separate metal drum placed. So it is called as floating drum type digester. Okay, so I'll give you a minute time. You can take down. I think it is done. I have explained you the same topic here. So what are the advantages of this Indian design? Okay, you can easily understand the principle of operation. The volume of stored gas is directly visible as the drum floats. Based on the height, you can calculate what is the amount of gas that is stored. Gas pressure will be usually constant. Okay, it will be determined by the weight of the gas in the holder. You will get a constant pressure. Okay, the construction is easy. Construction mistakes do not lead to major problems. Even there are little bit deviation in construction. Okay, you will first have a design of the digester. Okay, if there are little bit deviation, there will be no harm to the gas yield or operation. Okay, it's a simple construction. Okay. The limitation is the material cost. Why? Because see, the digester, as we saw, it is a masonry construction, can be built cheaply, but the steel drum, usually you have to go for stainless steel only, which is a very costly process. Okay. And also this floating drum, whatever we use in this plant, has a lesser life. Okay, and maintenance cost will be more. That is the only disadvantage we can see. So these are the advantages and the limitations of the Indian design digester. Please make a note of it. This Indian design digester is also called as KVIC model, Khadi Villages and Industrial Commission. Okay, so either it is called as floating drum type or Indian design digester or KVIC model. All three mean the same. See, some of the people are trying to join now. It's already 9:25. So today I am allowing Ambika, Kavyashri, Manoj. Okay, today I am allowing from next class onwards 9:10 I'll seal it so that nobody can enter into the class. Otherwise 9:30 is last class. I was just going through the attendance. Okay, MS Teams attendance. Some people have entered at 9:30. The class will be closed by 9:40 or 9 max 9:45. What is the use if you enter at 9:30? Okay, so next we will discuss the second most popular design. It is also called as circular fixed dome. Why this name circular fixed dome is given? You can clearly see over here. Okay, so the dome of this digester is somewhat circular like thing, and overall design, if you see, it almost looks circular. So circular fixed dome. Why fixed dome? In the previous case there was a metal drum which was floating, but here this whatever gas collection unit is there, this is an integral part of the digester. So this complete portion is the digester. So gas collecting unit is an integral part of the digester. Okay, so that is why it is called as fixed dome. Here dome will not float, it is always fixed, and this design was first done by the Chinese, so it is also called as China model. Okay, you can take down the sketch. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Okay, so the design of this plant is of Chinese origin. That is why it is called, as I told you, that is why it is called as the China model. Okay, it almost looks circular, so circular digester, and the dome is fixed as compared to that of the Indian design. So it is also called as circular fixed dome digester. Okay, it was introduced in the name Janata model. It is also called as Janata model in India. So there is a agency called as Gobar Gas Research Station. Okay, it's a part of initiative of government of India. So this Gobar Gas Research Station, okay, considering the advantages of this model, they made popular in India in the name of Janata model. Okay, you have to remember these names because in the exam they'll ask you to draw a sketch and explain the working of Janata model. Okay, so usually a floating drum or Indian digester design or KVIC all together it is named after Indian design. Okay, circular digester or circular fixed dome digester or fixed dome digester or Chinese model or Janata model. All these five names belongs to the China model. So this was made popular by Gobar Gas Research Station because of its reduced cost and only masonry work required. Right. So this is a plant where no question of any steel material is used, whereas in the Indian design, a steel tank was used for the collection of gas. That was the major problem. And there is also no question of any moving part. The gas will be collected at the top. You can see over here. So the gas will be collected in this region. Okay, so there will be a valve or a gas pressure unit which will show the pressure inside the chamber. Based on that, you can decide what is the volume of gas that is formed. Okay, the plant can be constructed with village mason. You don't require any engineer for that or any contractor for that. A village mason just keeping the drawing, they can dig a hole and they can build a brick construction. Okay. So it requires only good quality of cement and good bricks to avoid leakage problems and to promote longer life. Okay. So why this model was more preferred in the name of Janata is the next question. It was preferred because this model has an higher capacity. For the same size of the plant, the capacity of this model is higher as compared to that of the Indian design. That was the first question because there were no any partitions, no separate gas correction tanks, etc. It was a single cylinder, so the capacity is higher. Next, the cost of the plant was less because no question of any steel constructions, and the labor required is very less. Why? Because even a village mason can easily construct it. Because of this advantages, this model became very popular. Okay, so you can see at the ends of the digester there will be an inlet tank and an outlet tank. Otherwise, the working principle of both the models are same. You will be feeding this fresh slurry from here. Slurry will be initially filled and the complete arrangement will be sealed. You can see here the only possible openings are inlet, outlet, as well as the gas collection pipe. So these parts will be filled by a clay-based material, a plate-like structures. Okay, they are called as loose covers sometimes. Okay, like you can see the manholes that will be closed in the roads. In the similar way, they will be completely closed to airtight. Okay, so once the slurry, water, and some additives are fed, it will be completely sealed. Once the digestion process starts, the whatever the digested slurry is there, its density decreases and it tries to float. Okay, here the flesh slurry will be always filled so that there will be no place for the digested slurry to go back. So that obviously it will get collected in the this tank. So after a certain time, when the gas pressure increases, you can open this lid, remove the slurry, and close it. Then you can open this and feed a fresher one. So it will be a continuous process so that constantly gas will be produced. Okay, so principle of working is same, only design and construction are different. So this is about the circular fixed dome digester, or it is called as fixed dome digester, or a circular digester, or a China model, or it is also called as Janata model. Okay, I'll give you a minute time, you can take down. Okay. So I have discussed all these points, construction, working, etc. So once again, we will just brush up. Already I have discussed. Once again, we'll brush up what are the advantages of this Janata model. The first and foremost advantage is low initial cost and long useful lifespan. Okay. No question of any moving parts. Whenever there are moving parts, maintenance cost will be higher, and no question of any rusting parts because the tank is also made up of masonry brick construction only. Basic design is very compact. It saves space, and for the same volume, okay, it gives more productivity as compared to that of the Indian design. And also, as I told you, local masonry are more than enough. You don't need any engineers, any contractors for construction of the plant. So the cost of the construction, maintenance, etc., will be very less. And as I told you, relatively low construction cost will be there. So what are the disadvantages of this Janata or Chinese model? Masonry gas holders require special sealants. This is the most tough task. Why? Because if it is a metal tank, easy to seal, easy to construct, I mean, easy to attach levers, pipelines, etc. Okay, just I'll give you an example. If it is a LPG gas cylinder, it is easy to handle because high grade metal it is made up of and completely sealed. If it is built of masonry structure in your house, and if it has to be refilled from time to time, it will be a tough task because leakage will be a very big problem. At most care should be taken while construction, and there should be wherever there are tappings, pakka sealing should be done. Okay, even whatever care you take over a period of time, there will be leakage of gas. This is one of the disadvantage. Okay, as I told you, next disadvantages are mainly the frequent problems with the gas tightness or brickwork. Whatever the care is taken, leakage of gas will be there. Fixed dome plants are therefore recommended only where construction can be supervised. Okay, experienced gas technicians are required for here and there maintenance. Every 6 months they have to come detect any gas leakages are there, and those portions should be sealed down. So these are some of the